The sun is setting, the air feels cold. Another night, the story unfolds. The halls are rising, the dead take flight. 7 days till the blood moon's light. Barbed wire fences, turrets on high. We dig down deep, we fortify. Loot the ruins, craft our steel. Hold the line, or be their meal. 7 days to die. We stand or fall, build it high, or lose it all. Hordes are coming, hear them cry. No retreat, fight or die. Concrete walls and shotgun shells. Traps are set, but time will tell. They break through doors, they climb, they crawl. One weak spot and down it falls. Spike traps ready, mines are set. But are we safe? No, not yet. Thunder rolls, the blood moves red. Pray we last till morning's head. 7 days to die. We stand or fall, build it high, or lose it all. Hordes are coming, hear them cry. No retreat, fight or die. The vultures died, silent shadows lurk inside. Ammo's low, we're out of time. This might be our last night. To die, stand or fall, build it high or lose it all. Hordes are coming, hear them cry. No retreat, fire or dive, the sun is